it's Len. So welcome to my video. So this video is about myself. So I entitled this video as Getting to Know Me Well. So I find some common question that everyone wants to know about me. My name, my age, if I am a college student or a senior high school student, what my interest is. So I will answer that in this video. So let's start with my full name. So my name is Lenny Perez Herrera. I am an 18 years old. I will be 19 this April. I am a first year college student at Naga College Foundation, taking the Bachelor of Science major in nursing. It's very hard, but I think I can do this. Other than that, I am a purple lover or a violet lover. I really love the color of purple since I was a kid. Also, I really love to tandem the purple and the number of 8. I don't know why, but when I was a child, I really love violet, purple, and the number of 8. For me, that is my lucky color and my lucky number. I don't know why. I don't care. The importance, I love the two. So that's a perfect combination to me, the number and the color. Aside of that, my interest is I love writing, especially story. I was elementary when I got interest in writing. So I really love to write sad stories, especially when the antagonist and the protagonist are dead in the last part of the story. I really love writing that kind. I'm not into love story. I really hate that. And when I was a kid, I really hate that. I really love reading or writing a mystery. I really love that kind of genre in writing. Aside of writing, I also love watching or playing badminton. I'm not good at badminton, but I really love badminton. Why? Because it's makes me full of energy. Because one time I've already played that and I really enjoyed that. I have one sport that my father tried to join me in that. So in the first place I don't want, but it's my father's decision, so I have no choice. So that sport is karate. When I was grade 4, my father sent me there. So at the beginning I don't like, but the time passed. I really love playing that since till I become in high school. So I become so I get the degree of black. So I was happy because even though I don't love or I don't have any feelings in karate, I'm lucky because I continue it and I learned that. So I'm also happy. So another interest is I am more in academic and I'm not good at skill. I'm more in academic. I really love mathematics. So I hate English. To be honest, I really love math and English. So I think that's my interest. I love makeup. That's my interest now. Buying makeup, buying bags, putting some makeup in my face, like inventing some cool face or cool combination of makeup. That's my interest right now. So I guess that was all my interest. So let's talk about other. So I have here my bag, my bag that I always use at school. Then I have a challenge to myself that here's my thing that I always use in school. So I would pick one thing in my bag, then and I will describe it and I will connect it to my life. So let's find some important thing in mine. So what could be? Oh, I already found it. So earlier I said that I really love makeup. It's my interest now that I am in college. So I picked this thing because I think it's very suitable to me. This thing is no other than this. Yes, a small tint or lip tint. Is it red? This is red. Sinadya ko talagang red ito. Why? You know that this lipstick is very good. It's very high class for me. Look. This is cute. My lips become so very pretty and attractive when I always wear this. So, but of course, this have a deep meaning why I choose this. A lot of some of my things. I choose this one because this is very important to me. I cannot go at home without this. Of course, I need money, but also for me, this is important. I know why it is important to your study. This lipstick for me, it stands as my confidence. Because of this lipstick, I have enough confidence to face people, to talk in front, to walk in front, to walk to other people without any judgment to my mind. That I have no I'm not donning my confidence. I'm not telling that I'm the most ugliest in our room and I am not the most look like sick in our room. So thankful. I am very thankful that this lipstick or this lip tint was really invented to make us beautiful. I know that some people telling that this is not important. The most important is your study. Yes, our study is very important. Our soul is very important. But also we don't need to emphasize the beauty of our inner. Also, we need to give an importance to the beauty of our physical because this physical help us to make our confident, to make ourselves more valuable because the beauty is not always in inside, also in outside because this also physical beauty is God creating us. So we need to take care of ourselves. And I know and I think that putting lip tint is nothing wrong with that. If nothing wrong, like you look like sexy, you look like an idiot, you look like you don't look like a student because you always put. So even we are student, even we are studying, it is not a basis that you are smart. Putting lipstick is not a basis that you look like a slut. putting lip tint is not the basis that everyone's are not focusing to their study, because sometimes the most girl or most people who put makeup or tint in their lips is the most people who have a lot of confidence and people who have a lot of mind and have also a beautiful soul. So that's why I put this, or I picked this tint, because this tint for me symbolizes a brave man that's not only a beauty of physical but also a beauty of inside. So it's nothing wrong with this. So I hope you like my video, guys. So thank you so much for watching. See ya. Bye.